Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids and Happy New Year. This is where we spotlight stocks with fresh momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we are covering Chow Chow Cloud International Holdings, ticker CHOW, a provider of one stop cloud solutions, including digital transformation, consulting, AI powered managed services, and IT infrastructure for businesses across Asia Pacific markets. Fresh off a volatile 2025 post IPO period, with shares surging initially before a sharp pullback amid unusual trading in December, the company just released blockbuster first half 2025 results on January 1st. Revenue soared 81.3% year over year, while net income jumped 80% to HK 12.5 million, or about 1.6 million USD, with strong operating cash flow. The market is responding positively. Shares climbed in after hours trading on December 31st, closing the year around 0.65 with gains over 6%, signaling potential rebound interest in this microcap cloud play. With scalable growth in cloud adoption and a cleaner post IPO trajectory, Chow could be one to watch heading into 2026. Turnaround in progress? Share your thoughts below. Buy on earnings, strength, hold, or caution. Like for more small cap insights. Subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.